Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video we will be checking out how we can make $200 trading boom and crash. It's going to be strictly analysis and we're going to see the direction of the market right from here. Okay, so you're going to see me doing my analysis, and of course you're going to see how I set my trading strategies so that you will also be able to do that on your own. So these are some of the things we will be checking out in today's video. In the past weeks, this has always been giving us positive result for most of my subscribers, and I'm really happy that we are able to take advantage of this. So this is another opportunity for us to make as much as $200 or even more in today's video. Okay, and of course guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. And if you have noticed guys, this had been on a very strong downtrend right from this resistance zone. It got to this support zone, pulled back a bit, but went back again into a downtrend, and you can see it's been selling since then after breaking out from this support zone. So this had been on a very strong downtrend, and of course it is approaching this support zone, okay, at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from this support zone, then we are most likely to have a buy trend coming up right from there if it is unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so these are most areas where we can easily take our TP once it starts spiking. That is, if it is unable to break out below this support zone. But if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Then definitely we will be checking out on higher time frame to look at the next support zone if it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so this is very important. So if it does not, it should be spiking up and it should get to this region easily. So this is going to be the first TP, second TP, third TP and fourth TP. Okay, that is if it does not break out below this support zone. But we need to wait for the buy trend to pop up before we can go in fully into it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, boom 500 had been on a very strong uptrend guys. It had been on a very strong uptrend, but had got into this resistance zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then we are most likely to start having a sell signal coming up. Okay, we are most likely to start having a sell signal coming up. Okay, if it starts selling, then we should be expecting our TP around there. Then the next TP should be somewhere here. Okay guys, so we should take note of all this so that we understand everything about this particular opportunity. Then here should be the next one. Okay, then thereafter if it breaks out below that, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, but if it gets to this level, it might want to pull back. Okay, major one at that point before it will try it again to see if it will break out below it. Okay, so this is very important guys. This is very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and this had been on a very strong uptrend guys. You can see all through the night this had actually been buying. Okay, so but till it got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while, broke out above this around there and got to this resistance zone, and this time around it is retesting it to see if it will break out above it, and it is most likely it breaks out above it. Once it breaks out above here, then here should be our next TP, so we should take note of that. Okay, here should be our next TP. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above that, then it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then it should start selling right from there. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one we'll be checking out this morning, is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500 had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this support zone, was unable to go above it, so it started buying right from there. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for, which is going to be somewhere here. So we should be having our next TP around there. Then if it breaks out above that, then we should be having our next TP somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. And if it breaks out above this, then our next TP should be around here. Okay guys, the next TP should be around there, but at this point we might likely have a pullback right from there before trying it out again to see if it will break out from there. So we should be very careful when it is approaching this particular TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. It's not compulsory you wait for it to hit all the TP. You can always pull out whenever you have gotten enough profit right from here. So this is very, very important, so you guys can take advantage of all these opportunities to milk the market successfully. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.